What's going on, everybody? It's Nice Pants Lance. Today we are at the Indian demo event. You guys should know by now I don't have a motorcycle and I'm in the market for one. Last few videos I have put out have been surrounding my new purchase and what my next bike may be. Thank you guys for all the suggestions. I know a lot of you actually suggested Indians, so here we are at this demo event. What a time to get my hands on a few Indians. So I'll just give you a walk around real quick. So we got Chiefs, we got the new Super Chief here, we got the new Sport Chief. We got the Scouts, Bobbers. We got the Big Boy Challengers, the Roadmasters. We got the Pursuits up here. Look at that white Pursuit. Man. We got FTR Carbon. These are some good looking machines. And I am super excited to show you guys some of these bikes. So we're gonna see if any of these motorcycles will make it into Nice Pants Lance's garage. Once again, thank you to anyone who's been keeping up and knows the current state of my motorcycle ownership right now, which is no ownership. Thanks for all the suggestions you guys have made. I've definitely been listening and trying to set up rides with a lot of these bikes. I'm gonna try and ride as many of them as I can. So yeah, with that being said, stay tuned for my next few videos. You're gonna get to see some of these Indians in action. Thank you so much, everyone. Catch you on the next one. Peace.